5:27 a.m. Leaving my house. I already talked to Peter MENDIA and he's driving up from West Palm. We're all meeting at SHEA's house an hour and a half from now at 7. Lopey open.
Where you guys at?
Leaving SHEA's.
Oh, okay.
Where are you at?
We're just leaving Tallahassee.
Well, if you look out our window, it's about knee to waist high at the time. Storm probably 200 miles off the coast, but it's moving as fast as the swell. We're just fighting dark right now, and hopefully we can get down to the beach and meet up with CORY and see some of those first ground swell solid sets before dark.
We're just gonna go wait for the swell to actually come in. Who knows though? It's probably gonna hit in the middle of the night, honestly, but hopefully it hits right now.
Let's go check this thing out over here.
Don't even look at it. You're not gonna go out. I didn't even look at it yet.
That's sick to hear.
Just last night I woke from some unconscionable dream. Had it nailed to my forehead again. To keep this bottle afloat with everything you can't afford to know. So I save all my breath for the sails. To find those lingering voices. Just to eagle's attempt to make it all clean and nice. And make a moron out of you. Walking a bridge on weakening cables. Huddled up in fear and hate. Because you know our fate and it's a lot to pull us through. Most ideas turn to dust. There are few in which we all can trust. Haven't you noticed I've been shedding all of mine? So let's abandon that track and leave our fathers fighting in a sack. Cause we way too wise, as for that. You might find some fools at your doorstep, hustling the latest changes to the book of the strange in an attempt to multiply marionettes on weakening cables, huddled up with fear and hate because they know that fate and it's a lot to put them through. You're taking on a climb, and it's long enough to put the best of us on our backs. Walking up a slide, and there were those we know who'd have us 5 miles off the track.